No gree. No gree. No gree night. Don't miss it. I no gree. I no gree.
Bible says, once as he spoke, twice that all powers belong to God. Listen.
No gree. Make sure you are available for the Friday vigil in Pride Assembly live.
No gree for Satan! No gree for Satan! No gree for Satan! I no gree. I no gree.
I no gree for Satan. Me, I no gree for Satan. Satan, you are the messing of my life. Now, I no gree. Don't miss this prayer night. I no gree for Satan.
Don't gree for Satan.
No gree for Satan. Come and pray.
Me, the Francis Eze. No go gree for Satan this year. Yeah, no gree for Satan. If you gree, Satan go eat you.
No gree for Satan.
I no gree for Satan. Whether he likes it or not, I must possess my possession. I no gree. The will of God must stand in my life. Every negative situation in my life, in my family, I no gree.
Are you happy?
Who is joking with the devil? I no gree. I no gree. Else today.
I no gree for Satan, no matter whatsoever. I no gree for Satan. I no gree for Satan. I'm not happy with the devil.
I no go gree. I no go gree for Satan.
Never.
I will not. I no gree. I no gree at all.
I no gree. All the arrows the enemy have been throwing at me, I no gree. I no gree for my family. I no gree for my sibling. Satan, you have done enough. I no gree again. Jesus did it for me, and on that day he said it is finished. He finished with the devil. So devil, you can do nothing. I no gree.